In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find recently removed followers on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, you need to open up Instagram app. Once it is done, tap right here to go to your Instagram profile. Then tap at these three lines. At the very top, tap at Account Center. Scroll down a bit and tap at Your Information and Permissions. After that, tap at Download Your Information. On the next step, first off, we need to download our data from Instagram, and then I'm gonna show you how in this data we can easily find recently unfollowed accounts. So first off, I'm gonna tap right here at Download or Transfer Information. Then we need to choose our Instagram account and then hit Next. After that, tap at Some of Your Information. On the next step, scroll down all the way until you find Connections and then tap at Select All next to it and then hit Next. After that, make sure the Download to Device option is selected. Hit Next. And on the next step, all we have to do is just hit right here at Create Files. Then we'll be taken to the next page where we can see all our requests. The recent one is in progress now. However, after a while, usually it takes about a couple of minutes, and then once your request is ready, it will look like the previous one with this download and delete buttons. So without wasting your time, I'm gonna show you how it works using this request I made before. All we have to do is just tap at Download button. After that, we'll be taken to our browser where we need to tap at Download in this pop-up. And after that, to find the file we've just downloaded, we need to use Files app. It is official Apple application to manage files on your device, and you can easily find it on one of your home screens or at the app library. Just search for Files. And that's how you can easily find it, because by default it is pre-installed on any iPhone. However, if you cannot find it in that way, then you just need to head over to the App Store and download it from here. I'm just gonna open it up. Then first off, I recommend you to head over to the Browse page. It's kind of a home page for the Files app. From here, tap at On My iPhone. And that's where we can easily find downloads. Here we can easily find the file we've just downloaded. It is named like Instagram and then your username. It is actually zip archive, and to unarchive it, we just need to tap on it once. It will be immediately unarchived into a folder, and then we can enter folder. After that, tap at Connections, then Followers and Following. And that's where we can easily find recently unfollowed accounts. To open up this file, I'm just gonna tap on it once. And here we can see the accounts that I've recently unfollowed. And then we can tap right here at any username, then hit open. And then we'll be taken to that user's Instagram page, and then let's say we can check it back again, and for example we can follow them back. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.